Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Laura, and today I'm going to be journaling in my Hobonichi cousin for 2022. I am doing some catch-up journaling, and this video is going to be super short. I'm just going to do a couple days, not getting in as many as I'd like, but trying to get them caught up so I'm not so far behind. So I use the zebra liners to write the days of the week at the top, and that really works well because they don't bleed through too much. I like to add a little bit of washi tape to my bottom just to cover up the Japanese quotes because I don't understand them, and it makes it pretty. The biggest things I'm trying to do in my journal this year are, either list or talk about, what we did every day, adding in quotes, adding in scripture, adding in gratitude. Because I just feel like those are really important things, and kind of helps incorporate or put a cap on my day as to what it was and how it was and whatnot. And I, of course, love photo journaling. So this day was fun because my daughter's friend came in from out of town, and we took her to see the area and try some new things. And so that was a good time. And then I was writing that we saw a cardinal at the house, which was awesome to see, the big bright red cardinal. So that was fun. Yeah, we enjoyed having company here. My son's been here and my daughter's friend, so that was super cool. So we all got to hang out and catch up and just kind of be, which was really nice because we haven't done that in a while. And let's see, I'm looking back. I'm trying to add something somewhere. So I've been, again, filling in things that I just didn't have or whatever in my act together. That was when we got our bed frame in the last video. So, it's a work in progress this year, this journal. It is definitely not something that is as pretty or as organized as some years, for sure. But that's okay. We're getting through it. Okay, and then again, just writing in the day, but talking about going to the climbing gym and stuff like that. And I was again trying to be really intentional about writing in gratitude, and then adding the pictures of the gratitude that I was expressing. So yeah, pretty simple. And then I started on the last day, but my camera died because the battery ran out, so you're not going to be able to see it all. But just talking about the beach day we did and hanging out and being thankful, and it was my birthday too, so that was super fun. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so we can see you again next time. Have a great day, you guys, and we'll talk to you again soon.